So my father got a shock. What is it you want? I said, I want a house where there will be a lot of trees, lot of...
Bollywood, I want you to put your hands together with all the energy you have for Mrs. Hema Malini. Well, Hema ji, thank you very much for coming. And we have a small bouquet that we want to give you as a token of our gratitude. If we could have the bouquet.
Shri Santosh Naik, Puneet Agarwal ji, and the entire Nirvana group. I'm extremely happy to be here with all of you this afternoon. Bollywood is inspired by Bollywood. When Santosh Naik and Puneet Agarwal ji, they came and then they explained to me about this project, I was quite excited. Otherwise, for the last many years, many project has been coming to me to be the brand ambassador to many of this real estate. Real estate is a very growing industry today. But good, I did not accept any of them. I'm happy I'm associated with you, Nirvana. Because when I heard about I just wondered, what is this Bollywood, We know Bollywood, Hollywood, Collywood, so many woods are there, but what is this? Then they explained to me that this is inspired by Bollywood. And you know in our city, Mumbai, so many people from outstation, they come, they just want to have a glimpse of a film star. And they come and see the houses. So I've been seeing in my house also, so many buses come and they just want to look at it. Ye inka ghar hai. Whether they see the artist or not, but at least they are very happy seeing the houses. So much inspiration, so much love they have for Bollywood. So this is a very wonderful thing. And then they told me that this is completely inspired by Bollywood. So whoever gets the house, they will feel that they themselves are going to be a film star. And the best thing is very affordable prices, from 8.4 lakhs to 10 or whatever. It depends on the houses what you're going to buy. And the whole atmosphere is going to be of Bollywood, like some theaters will be there, shooting spots are going to be there, and most beautiful, clean and neat and affordable price, as Modi ji always wanted, that the entire country should have, everyone should have one house. And this is a very affordable price and anybody can buy. Not only me, and I'm asking many of my house members also to buy. And from outstation, I'm sure they will love to buy here because they will get a full entire look of shooting and other thing. And then I told them that you must have some nice stages, for film shooting also, so that any TV serials and everything can be taking place. So the artist can also stay there. They can buy a flat and live there. So it's a beautiful complex by itself with the schools and all other, so many amenities which they have already explained. I'm very happy, and then I wish you good luck. And I would like to say one more thing, which I have not told them. Since I am the MP of Mathura now, so I have little desire that when you can make such an affordable prices flats for people, so you must make something like that in Mathura and surroundings also. So my constituency people will be very happy. They would love to have something like that. With the Bollywood atmosphere, they will be so happy. Thank you so much.
आपने पहला घर लिया था तो कुछ यादें हैं अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें? जी जी.
हाँ. जब पहले यहाँ मुंबई आई थी, अराउंड 68-70 में मेरे डैड ने घर लिया वालकेश्वर में, और मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था बिकॉज आई वॉज सो बिजी शूटिंग. एंड देन ही सेड यहाँ पर पूजा के लिए आ जाओ. सो मम्मी डैडी और मुझे लेके गए. सो आई सॉ इट. इट वॉज अ वेरी ह्यूज फ्लैट facing the beach. Everything was so wonderful. But I was not comfortable at all. I said, no, I don't like it. So my father got a shock. What is it you want? I said, I want a house where there will be a lot of trees, you know, lot of surroundings should be green. I would like to have a house like that. Because in Chennai we lived like that. Even in Delhi, my early ages of my time, we lived in such place. So I was very keen to have a house like that. That's why then my Juhu house was bought. So many years back.